Hello students. So in the last class I discussed about the object oriented design axioms. Today I will discuss on object oriented design corollaries. So let's start discuss on what are object corollaries and how they can be used in the object oriented design. So these are some of the object oriented design corollaries. These are some of the object oriented design corollaries. So they are classified in 6 types. So corollary 1, corollary 2, corollary 3, corollary 4, corollary 5 and corollary 6. So this is the diagram how the corollaries are connected with the axioms. So corollary, first corollary is used for uncoupled design with less information content. Okay, so actually the meaning of corollary is nothing but, so what are the set of rules used in the object oriented design. So like similar to algorithms, in the first corollary, that is in first rule, so which is used for uncoupled design with less information content. Its goal is to maximize cohesiveness and improve the coupling, less information transaction among objects, then coupling, so which deals interaction among objects. Okay, as we know, coupling means the interaction between the one object to another object. So we'll use two types of coupling in the corollary 1. So first one is the interaction coupling, which involves the amount and complexity of messages, how components, then tightly coupled objects lead to change in one object reflects changes in others, then inheritance coupling. So inheritance coupling is form of coupling between super and subclasses. High inheritance coupling is desirable. So high inheritance needed because, so if you want to build the strong inheriting between from superclass to subclass, then it requires the high inheritance coupling. Then cohesion. So then what do you mean by cohesion? Cohesion means how they are strongly built, so which deals with the interaction within a single object, so reflects single purposeness, then high cohesiveness, can lower coupling. Then corollary 2, so that is the rule number 2, so which is used for single purpose. Each class must have a purpose clearly defined and necessary in the context of achieving the system's goals. Then corollary 3, that is the rule 3, so which defines the large number of single classes. Reusability, the less specialized the classes are, the more likely future problems can be solved by a recombination of existing classes. Then smaller classes, so which are less specialized and chance of reusing. So smaller classes are nothing but which are less specialized and having the chance of reusing. Then large and complex classes, so we call some classes are large and complex, which are more specialized and having less chances of reusing. Then the corollary 4, that is rule number 4, so which is having strong mapping. Strong mapping is nothing but as the model progress from analysis to implementation, more detail is added, but it remains the same. Strong mapping is which related to implementation, having more detail, okay, so but it remains the same and having the progression of analysis from analysis to the implementation. Progress is nothing but so implementation of the model from analysis to implementation. Then strong mapping links classes identified during analysis and design phase. So then rule number 5, that is corollary 5, so which indicates the standardization. So standardization can be done with the help of documentation, so which having the knowledge of existing classes helps to identify new classes. Then corollary 6, so which is rule number 6, which is related design with the inheritance. So these are some of the corollaries. So these corollaries are connected with the axioms, axioms 1 and axioms 2. Okay, so because so these corollary, that is design rules, object oriented design rules, is depend on the how the axioms are connected with, so that is having good coupling. Okay, so and also these corollaries are and axioms are interdependent. Okay, so this is about the corollaries. So further we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.